Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Alright, stop, guys. We just have to do the bars. Mama, I can see it in none of this video.
Okay, pause na tayo. Lagay lang ni Kuya yung coat ni Holly kasi malamig. Lock lang yun. Alright? Okay, let's go. Dala niya na si Mushi. Is Mushi awake now, Holly? Huh? Yeah. Ang saya ni Kuya. Hoy, Kuya, here. There's more here. Okay, wipe it first. Here, Kuya. First time kasi ni Kuya. Okay. Holly, that's Kuya. Let Kuya have it because you always use that one when we go grocery. Ang saya ni Kuya. Come on. Huh? No more sag. Wala nang malit na trolleys. School holiday kasi baka nandun sa mga bata. Dala na ng mga bata. Malit na cart lang yung ating kukunin. Kasi, kunti lang naman yung kukunin natin ngayon. Kasi meron pa sa bahay. Kailangan maubos mo na yung mga veggies doon. Okay, come on. No, Holly. Okay. Ha? No. Come on, Holly. Sak, where are you going? I did. I did. Holly, get down, please. Yeah. Get orange first. Gustong-gusto nila to eh. Si Kuya. Make sure not the soft one, okay? Gentle. Just be gentle, okay? Because that is very... No, this is plums. This is plums. Ako na, Kuya. Hindi niya mabuksan-buksan yung plastic. Yeah. This one, huh?
I got it.
You got it. Papa, just be gentle, okay?
Other plums, just the plums.
Yeah, just the plums, yes. Okay. Oh, be careful.
And I want peaches.
Peaches, okay. Oh my God, nag-aagawan pa sila. Choose the yellow one. Is it yellow or white? Yellow, okay. Kasi may white. Okay. You know what to do, Kuya.
Yep.
Orange, not this one. We have to get the other one. Yung parang ano ba? Yung malaking mandarins. This one sucks. Nag-aagawan sila kung sino ang kukuha ng apples. Yeah, get the hard ones. Yes. Kasi kung yung hinog na, hindi naman nila kakainin right away. Not this one, yeah. Yes? How many apples? One? More, suck more. How about this one? Ito kasi yung kinukuha ko. This one. How about get the mandarin sack? The big mandarins. Yeah. Get like maybe 15 pieces. Like this. 15 pieces, okay? I think you need 2 bags. And you have to choose the... Oh, you watch, look. Yes. Not that one, Bob, because that's hard to open. Yes, yeah. Alright. Okay, na si Kuya.
I think we need...
Here. Put it here.
Take 2.
8.
I
Okay.
got,
For what?
5.
What? Plums? Tulungan ko na siya. Wait lang. Last time, how many you eat? In one sitting? Huh? 10. 10? Nakuha pa siya ng bag. Wait, we're gonna go there, Sak. Gusto nilang kumuha ng crumpets for breakfast. Here, this is still alright. Alright, okay. What's the Jazz Apples Gatto? Sak! Si Sak, hindi niya na alam kung saan siya pupunta. You're not done.
Wait, how many?
5?
Yellow.
Got the five. I got 5.
Mom.
Alright.
Mom, don't get these ones because they're all white and they taste strong.
Alright. Hindi pa rin kayo dito sa mandarins.
Is that it?
Eto, meron na ditong isang bag.
Oh, that's a lot.
Ha?
Okay, that's one.
Yeah, okay.
So that's it.
Alright. Okay. Meron tayong dalawang. Aray ko si Sak. Nagmamadali. Where's Holly? Holly, come on, Baba.
Hey, Mom, we have
Nauuna kasi si Sak. What did you get, Sak? Yeah, which one? The circle and the square. No, that's not crumpet, Sak. That's
can I take them?
pancake.
They're actually crumpets.
Okay, get one.
No, I already got it.
All right.
These are crumpets.
Just one, Baba, because we already have a square one.
That always got food.
All right. Okay. Mamaya, bibili tayo ng flowers. Mamaya. Ito, gusto ko tong white. Ayan, white. Mamaya. Yes? Fritz, yeah. Wait a second. We're not done with the veggies yet. We have to get potatoes and bananas. So, meron tayo. Kuya, bananas.
Oh.
I need ginger. Maliit lang. Oh. Huh? Yes, please.
One.
Just one.
I put something in the cart.
You're alright, Baba. You always have that cart every time you come with me.
Put something
Pa tayong red onions. Ang lalaki naman. Sobrang laki ito. Okay. Sak.
I put in the cart.
Oh, here, this one, Baba. Put this in the cart. Bilhin ko to si Basil. So, parang mamamatay na siya. Wag na lang. No, I still have tomatoes.
Tomatoes are so sweet.
Yeah, don't pinch. We still have grapes. I still have grapes. Gonna get watermelon. Oh, lucky. Here, son. Remove that.
Oh, cherry. Cherry.
Huh?
Cherry.
Where is it? Alright, get one.
Good.
Wait, what's that? Strawberry.
No, not good, Kuya. This one.
Strawberry. But, Mom, are the strawberries good?
Mom, the strawberries are
Yes, this is good.
Wait, blueberry.
Blueberries?
Yeah, I see that right there.
Where? You like that? It's like that sour.
They're raspberries.
That's raspberry, son.
Yeah, raspberry. Wait, Mom, can we get blueberry? Can we get blueberry?
Here, we're getting a lot of fruit.
Oh. Okay, gusto raw niya.
Look,
This is the one I always get. No, I don't think so.
can we get these?
This one. Okay, meron tayong raspberries. Blueberries. Okay. They have more here.
No, there's a big one.
Okay. That's alright.
No, we want this. That. Put the
What?
one. We want the big one.
Big ones. This one.
No.
Okay, you have to look. This one is good one. See?
Oh, them ones are big.
They're good? Let me see. Wait. So 2 strawberries, okay. What else?
I think this. That's it.
Kuha tayong chilies, 2 red and 2 green.
Oh, which one's sour?
What sour?
Which one's
This is not sour, this is spicy.
which one's spicy?
Red, both. Gusto raw ni Kuya ng black currant juice.
Oh, I like these. I don't really know if it's more fun.
Put it here. Okay. Ribs, yes. I'm gonna get ribs. Pili lang tayo ng yung medyo malaki-laki. Huh? Yeah. Eto.
Yay! Go to bed. Ow.
Just be careful not to...
Oh, I got ribs.
Yeah, okay. Put it here. Dito naman tayo sa beef meals. So tayo dito sa offset.
Oh yeah, I love this cake.
Yes. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay, what you gonna say to the lady?
Thank you.
Thanks, si Kuya ayaw niya. So tayo ng Fritz hot dogs. Yes. The short. Yeah, hot dog, the little one, please. Yes. Maybe 500 grams.
Alright, have a good day.
You too, thanks.
Put it in there because
Chicken breast and chicken thigh. Where's the chicken thigh? Yung ano na? Eto. Yung boneless. Okay. Okay. Ito tayo nito. Kuya, about this thing. Oh, isa, watch out.
oh, good to watch.
Ito tayo ng iceberg lettuce. Put it here, yung sake
Wait,
sauce.
put the orange.
Tingnan nyo na yung dalawa. Kinikilo na nila. It's alright na, Kuya.
I want to see how much it'll be.
Baba na that one. So, yung nakuha nating orange is 3.5. Almost 3.5 kilos. Kuha ko ng carrots. 1, 2, 3. And syempre, yung aking burrata. Ah, here, Kaisa. Cream. Cream. Come on here. Yogurt.
What one?
This one, the mango one.
Yeah, just it.
My favorite ni Kuya na raspberry.
Okay. This one.
Okay, just one, okay. Ice cream, that one. Ito yung kinain nila kagabi. Favorite to ni Jan. So sabi ni Jan, kuha raw tayo nito. So kuha tayong dalawa. Okay, baba.
Wait, two.
Yeah, yes, yes.
I'm holding it. I'm holding it.
It's too cold to hold, Holly. Yes, Kuya.
If I have a hot dog.
Huh? Gusto ni Kuya ng mas. Okay, just get this one here.
And
This
this one. And
one and...
this one more.
Just when I have hot dogs.
Okay, okay.
This
Yeah.
one for baking.
Yeah,
This one for baking.
yeah. Oh, no, Kuya, TJ.
Wait for
Got already. Okay, daddy's drink. Oh. Yeah, I'll put it here. Okay. Alright. Okay, you bring that one.
Wait, I can hold it.
Alright, let's go. Kuha ko ng gloves. And kumuha pala ako ng toilet tissue. Last week, kumuha na ako. Pero kumuha ulit ako para mayroon din akong extra. Kasi yung ibang tao na guhoard na naman sila ng toilet paper. So, kuha rin tayong isa. No, there's still sugar. Bayad na tayo, guys. Okay, come on. What?
That was not sugar that had to get.
No, there's still sugar. Even they say no sugar, there's still sugar. Thank you. Tapos na tayo dito sa coast. Si Holly nagkaroon siya ng cart kasi hindi kasya dito yung isang bag. Si Kuya dun sa kanya yung toilet paper. Next, Baker's Delight. This one pa, Kuya. Okay. Here pa, yeah. Yeah. That's heavy. Huh?
I'll play this.
No. Come on.
Come on,
Wait, Holly. You right? Okay. Okay, let's go.
Tell me.
Who's that?
Okay. Okay, close. Punta muna kayo dito sa She's Apples. Meron sila dito na binibenta na pasta salad, yung tangi. Ito yung sauce na binibili ko. Oh. Ganito siya. Ayan. Tangi tomato. Okay, let's go. Naghahanap ako ng pearl sugar. Wala kasi sa Coles tsaka sa Woolies noon eh. Baka meron sila dito. Nasaan yung mga sugar nila? Ay, akala ko eto na coconut pala to. Wala sila yung pearl sugar. And tinitingnan ko rin kung meron sila yung truffle oil. Dati meron sa Coles, ngayon wala na. Ha?
Pumpkin oil.
Pumpkin oil?
Yeah, that's pumpkin.
No, that's
Pumpkin seed oil.
no, that's
Pumpkin seed oil. Wala rin sila dito.
no, it's said that's making.
Ah! Eto, meron pala. Ayan, meron ako. Nakita ko. Truffle oil. Okay, let's go. Wala nga lang yung pearl sugar. So, one more. Meron sila Himalayan salt. Meron pa ako niyan sa bahay eh. Wala talaga. Dito naman tayo sa Baker's Delight. Magkatabi lang naman sila.
Get right.
That one or the other one?
I want this one.
I want pumpkin.
This one na lang, Kuya.
Yeah, I want pumpkin. I want the pumpkin.
No, you can just share.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, I can open it up. Ayaw ni Sak buksan kasi hindi pa bayad. Yeah, just wait. We have to pay. Hang on, Kuya Sak said hang on. Hi. May signal na kay Sak. Okay na raw. Ayun kasi kanina kasi hindi pa bayad. Hindi pa naman siya bayad pero okay lang naman. Okay. Share to Kuya. Mainit pa yung tinapay.
Is this the one?
Yeah.
Wait, I thought there was another.
You want the other one? We still have that one. Okay, we're done here. Okay, let's go. Uwi na tayo. Come on, Papa. Dito na kami guys sa bahay. Mainit dito kasi yung ating fireplace. May kahoy pa ba? Hindi pa umuwi si John. Mubara na naman sila. Oh. Meron pa naman siyang kahoy.
Dad must have came back.
Nauna na. Wash it properly, Kuya. Kumuha na siya ng peach. So, ipuput away ko lang tong mga pinamili natin. Oh, nakalimutan ko yung flowers. I forgot yung... sabi ko, bibiling ko yung white flowers doon. Nakalimutan ko, guys.
Get it next time when we're done.
Alright. Ay, check ko lang yung aking mga veggies. Ayan yung mga veggies ko pa, guys. Oh. Meron pa akong celeries. And eto. Yung isa nito nakain ko na. Tinutulungan niya na ako. Si Kuya linagay niya sa freezer yung ice cream na binili
Well,
namin.
I have these two.
Siya yung naglalagay ng fruits, ha? No, not that one, Kuya.
This won't be enough, Mom.
Not much room.
No.
Ayan na yung fruits. Oh, careful.
That's why it's big, Mom.
Thank you, Kuya and Holly.
How are we gonna put the...
Just put on the side.
In the fridge.
No, just put on the side.
I just put it near that glass.
Yeah, put on the side. Ano niya dun sa my glass. Just be careful, Baba. Just put it here.
No, it'll be better there.
Alright, okay.
Now it looks like a face. I made a face.
Huy! That's your second?
No. First. This is my second fruit.
What did you have first? Plum?
Yep.
Yan yung pangalawa niyang fruits. How about you, Baba? Okay, wash it, okay?
Mom, I'm gonna have a little.
Alright. Tapos na ako mag-put away. Ano to? Yung rosemary na dry. Ayan. So, naligpit ko ng lahat and nilabas ko yung lobster kasi kakainin ko to. Si Kuya at saka yung mga bata, mamaya raw, yung dinner nila ay hotdog. Kasi di ba may binila akong hotdog and si Kuya may kuno siyang mustard. So, hotdog and bread. And eto, gusto ko itong itry mamaya. Tingnan natin. And yung truffle oil, gusto kong truffle oil sana. Yung ginagamit ko noon pa. Ito na tayo yung ginagamit ko. Kaso, wala na nito sa Kohl's. Ito yung truffle oil na binibili ko lagi sa Kohl's. Kaso, wala na nito. Ito nang meron sila. So, tingnan natin kung anong difference nila one day. So, yan. Okay. Si John, sabi ni John bukas raw, aalis siya, kukuha siya ng wood. Where are you going tomorrow, Han? Dito na siya eh. Where are you going tomorrow?
Get wood.
Where? Calcedon. So, alis siya. Where is it? Border?
Over the border.
Over the border.
Where we went to the... Near where we went to the waterfall there.
Kung saan daw kami pumunta sa malapit sa waterfalls. So, doon siya kukuha ng woods. Kasi wala na kaming wood.
Wait, I'm Victoria. I'm near Victoria.
Are you allowed, Han? They're not shut?
No.
Oh, yung Victoria, okay. Pero yung ibang states, close. What's that, yeah?
Biscuits.
Biscuits. Wash your hands? Yeah, you wash it already. So, mag-edit muna ako, guys. Hiwain ko pala to. Tapos ilalagay ko dito para easy lang for them. Pag gusto nyo kumain watermelon. So, hiwain ko to and mag-edit ako. And dinner later, easy lang. Mag-hotdog lang sila. Si Jan, hindi ko pa alam kung anong gusto niya. What you gonna have for dinner, Han?
Tonight?
Yeah.
I don't know, what do you...
What do you want? What do you feel like? They're having hot dogs. Are you?
I'm thirsty after this one.
Huh?
I'm thirsty after this.
Okay, drink water.
Holy moly!
Holy moly, tell Daddy.
That changed the spin.
Puno na yung bin.
I just did. Full already.
Yes. Mag-ham and cheese na lang daw si Jan. Easy dinner tonight kami, guys. So, okay. Ikat ko na muna tong watermelon.
It's a Queensland.
And eto, lagay ko dito sa ziplock. Tapos i-freezer ko siya. Excited din akong matry ito. So, eto na yung watermelon. Sobrang tamis niya. And, etong mga to, inano ko ba? Sinagad ko.
One bite.
One more, okay. Sobrang tamis. Ilagay ko na to sa ref. Ito, kainin namin. And ako, kakainin ko yan. Lagay ko to sa ref. And, yung aking vase. Ready na sana to para sa flour. Nakalimutan ko yung flour. Ito, ilalagay ko to sa freezer. So, kain muna kami, guys. Siya kakain siya ng watermelon. Ako kakain ng lobster. Here. Katapos ko lang kumain, guys. Ayan, naubos ko yung ulo ng lobster. And si Holly, halos ang nakaubos ng watermelon. Yung iba ako nang kumain. Tapos, sausawan na suka na may sili. So, yan. Hindi ako nag-rice. Yan lang talang kinain ko. Tapos, ito yung watermelon. Sarap! Nag-edit ako, guys. And yung isa. Hindi ko alam kung pang ilan niya ng fruits yan. Malap. Yummy?
There's all the skins off.
Plum yung kinakain niya.
I'm gonna try
This
my
is-
apple where I got the big ones.
This is my third one.
Your third? Mahilig sila sa fruits. At saka sa veggies din. Which is very good sa kanila.
My third
Kaya
one.
dapat lagi kami maraming fruits.
My third one.
Okay. Tapusin ko lang itong ini-edit ko, guys. Wash your hands after, okay? How is it, yeah? What kind of apple is that? Jazz?
Jazz.
Jazz. Sabi daw. Jazz?
Nice.
Jazz?
I like rockets.
Oh. Dinner time, guys. Si John, ayan, siyang gumagawa. Toast with smiley frites. Ayan yung sa mga bata.
And
Hot dog. Ha?
Please have
Yeah, baked beans si John nasa microwave. Hot dogs and rice with mustard. Luto na yung rice ko. Pinapalamig ko lang. Ayan. Di ba ako tapos mag-edit, guys? Anong oras na? 6:10 na. Ayan kayo dyan, oh. Simple dinner tonight. Ayan, kumakain na sila, guys. Ayan yung kayo dyan, oh. Smiley frites with beans. Is it? Yeah, pork and beans.
No, just baked beans.
Baked beans, sorry. Wala siyang pork. Kasi sa atin, di ba, pork and beans. Si Kuya, masaya siya sa kanyang, what's that? Mustard.
Kids!
Ay, kids! Sak! Holly!
It wasn't working.
Ay, baliktad. Ito kay Holly to. Okay. And ako, busog pa ako, so tapusin ko yung ine-edit ko. It's alright, just put it there.
That's right, it's over there.
I said one.
What? Hot dog? Yeah, just put it there. Oh,
Let's put it on
just
fire.
put it there. Say kain. Say kain.
Can I have some of that?
Say kain.
Can I have some of that?
Yeah. Wait. Daddy will do it.
Mustard? No.
How about you, Sak?
Right, you want some?
Gusto rin ng mga bata na baked beans. Good? Gusto ni Kuyang mustard. Put ketchup. It will be nicer too. Just a little bit, Baba, ha?
A little bit hot and salt
Try.
first.
Yes. Good, Han? Ubus niya, guys, oh.
Yep.
Favorite niya yan, yung baked beans. Kumakain pa rin sila? No, please. No, thanks. Dessert na sila. Ayan yung binili natin kanina. Yung golden gay time.
Go to gay time.
Apat lang yan. Kaya dalawa yung binili ko para makakain din ako. Kasi nung kagabi, sila lang kumain. Si Holly, nag-share siya sa akin.
I'll get that.
Give one for Dad. Ako mamaya na.
Give one to Mom.
Masarap talaga siya. In fairness sa kanya. You gonna share it, Mommy, too? Again?
No, you want me to go get one?
No, I'm still good, Kuya. Thank you.
Just tell me when you need it.
Come on, share it to them, Zach. Come here. Ayan. Go bite it, Zach.
No, not yet. Dad, you got the small one?
No, they're all the same, Kuya.
Sit down and enjoy it.
Sit down and enjoy it. Oh, wrong ba? Okay.
Mom, I'm taking the bite now.
No,
Find it.
Yum. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Tapusin ko pa. Hindi pa ako mag-edit.
Just in case.
Yum. Thank you. Ganito kami lagi pag gabi after dinner. O, tingnan nyo. Ang daddy kasi. O, diba? Who's next? Kita nyo yung dustpan doon, guys. Wow, Sak! Nagwalis si Jan doon sa may fireplace. Yun ang ginamit niya. Go, Kuya! Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo yung isa dyan. Yung maliit. Who's next? Tapos ako mag-edit, guys. Natapos ko na. Ano na lang siya, downloading. Oh! Oh.
I'm after him.
Dad. Dad.
Di ko pala kayo na-update after ng pagbisita ng mga bata sa dentist. Si Kuya tsaka si Sak, babalik sila sa August, dapat before August, kaso fully booked sila kasi si Kuya meron siyang tatanggalin yung isa niyang baby tooth. So yun, and si Sak din meron din siya yung pasta, dalawa, kasi may maliit daw, yung parang karayong sobrang liit na butas, so anuhan daw, pastahan. So yun yung update. So sa August na yun, kasi dapat sana ngayong July, kaso fully booked sila. So sabi ko, so after vacation na lang, after ng Queensland namin. So yun guys. And kids, let's close the vlog. Come on. Malulobat na ako. Come on, Holly, close the vlog. Say thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet.
See you on our next vlog. Bye. Good night guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Basketball.
Me who you see, 'cause I think I do. When you